don't give me that look. You said you were gonna have fun tonight.
I know, but can we just turn back and get something to eat? I'll buy you dinner.
Sorry, babe. I already told Alex we're here. Hey, fuckface. Happy birthday.
You got this. No one cares that you're friends with your ex. And you're at his birthday party. It's fine.
Thanks for coming, Grace. It means a lot to me to have you here. Well, it's not a party if you're not having fun.
Of course, Alex. I wouldn't miss it.
Oh, honey, I know. Don't worry about it.
No, Nicole, look. She looks exactly like me.
Girl, listen. You need to let it go. He's already talking to someone else. You should do the same. Get a rebound guy.
What the fuck is going on? Calm down, Grace. It's just a vodka. You're just tripping out. Get your shit together. Oh shit, didn't realize anyone was in here. Oh, it's you. Who the fuck are you and why do you look exactly like me? I mean, I could ask you the same question. Why do you look exactly like me? Okay, so you do see it. Yeah, I see it. I see that you wasted all of your potential, and for what? Your boyfriend W? Oh, boo fucking who? You're sad and depressed? Get your shit together. You know what? I think it's my turn to take advantage of the things you're clearly not thankful for. Wait, what are you saying? What I'm saying is, if you're not gonna live your life, I will. You got this, Grace.
What do you mean? I thought you were staying.
No, I wasn't. I wasn't having fun. It's over.